We're gearing up for a screen-free summer by introducing GIGIL STEM bundles. Stay busy playing and learning this summer with curated kits created for your junior scientist, engineer, explorer, or astronaut. Each bundle includes all the materials for 15 hands-on STEM activities, 3 video lessons, and activity guides that cover lessons on each bundle's theme. We've created 4 themed bundles so your kids can spend a summer exploring space, learning about power, traveling back in time, or learning the basics of science. Your kids will love these hands-on experiments, and you'll enjoy taking a break from planning activities all summer long. Ready to join us for a screen-free summer? Visit us at gigglestemkits.com to order your bundle today.